Hey you guys, good morning. So I'm about to make a fruit smoothie for breakfast. Ignore this banana, it's going back in the refrigerator. So yeah, I'm only using strawberry, banana, and guava. So let's get started. So I'm about to chop this up. Right here I have a guava, strawberries, and banana. Make sure you wash your fruit. Yep, and just like that, my fruit is all cut up. I feel like I had too many strawberries, so I'm gonna leave those out probably. And yeah. Okay, so I put about maybe a quarter cup of orange juice in here, and I didn't even use all the fruit. So in total, I probably used 4 strawberries and 3/4 of my banana. And I definitely used all my guava because I love guava. But you can switch up your fruits, guys. I don't want yogurt or anything creamy down in here like, yogurt or milk. So I opted for orange juice. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It's still creamy. You don't need milk or yogurt. Still works out. Let me try it. Okay. Y'all, if you can find guavas in your area, put them in your shakes. That guava is shining, honey. It is shining in the shake. Smoothie. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy shake mixture. I know I was a little extra. But if you try it, let me know what you think. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.